guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shay. I'm a full-time reseller on Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari.
I am Tyler, part-time seller on Poshmark, Mercari, eBay.
And that is Luna, who is currently playing with the toys, so you might see a lot of throwing and bumping into us. There's that. And also, we are in the same clothes as the last video, and that might look a little weird to you.
We are being professionals in batch recording.
Yeah, so...
Yeah, totally professional.
Super professional. Right now, when you're watching this video, we are actually away on vacation, so we wanted to make sure that we still gave videos to you guys, so we're trying to record them in advance. But yeah, so this haul, you might actually have already seen sold items. I don't know if I'm going to get them listed before, but that's possible. So if that's the case, that's why. It's not because we listed them before we did the video. We just were on vacation. So yeah. Here we are. So yeah, if you like reseller content, if you like haul videos, sold videos, all that kind of stuff, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell just to notify every time we post new videos. Post new videos every Sunday and Wednesday. And apparently, YouTube doesn't notify you if you don't click that bell, so make sure that you do it. And give this video a big thumbs up so we know you want more haul videos. And comment down below what your favorite item was. I always like to see what people think the best item is out of the haul. We always do that when we're done with the haul. We always say, what's your favorite item that we got? So I'm curious what you guys think.
I think I won. Also tell us if you wouldn't have picked up an item, or you pick up 6 of them because they would always sell for you.
Exactly. So, yeah, let us know. So let's get into it.
So these are UGG boot clogs.
Yeah, it's actually funny. So I had actually picked these up first and had decided against them. I decided they weren't really kind of worth it for me, but then he picked them up and decided they were. So I'm like, you know what? We're gonna trust his judgment on this. Maybe I'm just being harsh on the UGGs. So, yeah, they're UGGs. They are size 8. And they're really cute. They have the I don't know, Sherpa for whatever it is on the upper inside here, clog style. So, very cute. We'll see how they do.
I mean, a decent price, so.
Yeah.
This is something I've never seen before.
Storia?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this one is an actual experiment. We're literally picking it up on style. The brand itself, the comps were literally everywhere. So here's the tag. I've never seen this brand before. Hopefully you can see it. The comps were everywhere. The price point was quite high. We did have a discount. There was a 30% off sale. But the style, we both agreed, it's very boho.
It's got the nice straw
sparkly. It's got this braided tie here. I'm going to see if I can find a stock photo because I don't think this is doing you justice and post that for you guys. But it's beautiful, but it's an experiment because I don't know.
This is Peanuts dress.
So yeah, it's Peanuts. It's like a sleepwear dress. I picked this up because we have sold 2 other Peanuts items and they both sold under 24 hours. So there's Peanuts collectors out there, and I feel like they might need this. So yeah.
These are Marrakech.
Yeah, so these are an Anthropologie brand that we have not actually sold before. The comps are kind of all over the place, but we really liked the detailing here. I don't know if you can see, but it's really, really pretty. It's got a elastic hem, elastic hem. There we go. Oh my gosh. And yeah, they're really cute. I think that they're in style, so I wanted to give them a try. And they are a size 27. We didn't say what the peanut size was, did we? My goodness.
Oh, God.
Look at us being so professional, as we stated.
Medium.
Medium, okay.
This is...
Oh, that's my boy. I know it is. I know it is.
This is Joseph Ribkoff.
Yes. So this brand, it's funny because...
Size 12?
It sells okay for me. It sells best for me on eBay, but I can't stop picking it up. No matter how long it takes to sell, it doesn't matter. I love it so much.
It's got a nice, cool tie front, though. So.
And you found this one.
I did.
Usually you reject Joseph Ribkoff, but it's really cute. If you guys don't know, this is the designer of the Miss America pageant. It looks like it might be missing a belt, but that's okay because it's still beautiful.
It's the tie across.
Oh, okay. So it does actually have something.
It has the belt.
But yes, it's very cute. What size is this?
12.
Size 12. So we'll see how it does. Their dresses seem to sell best for us on eBay, so I'll make sure I post it over there.
So this.
Oh, this one.
This one is a tragic story. So it's a vintage T-shirt. It's very clearly
single stitch.
Single stitch. It's from the 90s. It's 1990 because it has the date on the back.
Yep. It's what does it say? Public Image.
Yeah.
So we actually did a search for Public Image vintage t-shirt, and the price point was like $250. It was
Yeah.
insane. However, dun dun dun, there is
gigantic
a gigantic hole here. So we also have not found this particular pattern yet, so we'll have to see. But I want to ask you guys, if any of you are vintage sellers, please let me know.
Yeah.
When it comes to flaws, are we better to try to repair the hole? I mean, my lovely husband over here can sew.
Yeah.
So is it better to do that, or is it better to leave it as is and let the person who's the collector decide if they want to repair it or not and just price it lower accordingly? Let us know. We don't know. We haven't come across a vintage t-shirt that's been that damaged before, so let us know. We're a little bit conflicted on that one, so.
Yeah. ModCloth, size small, maxi dress. And it's got a very
it's
pretty.
beautiful.
The comps look pretty decent too.
Yeah, comps don't look bad. And actually, we picked this up because ModCloth, we have sold everything that we've purchased from ModCloth. Now, we don't have a big sample size yet. That's why it was not in our 100% sell-through rate video.
Yeah.
Maybe a future one.
It
but
might be the next honorable mention or the next version of that.
yes, so we don't have a huge sample size yet, but what we've purchased, we've sold, so we want to keep giving it a try and see how it does.
This dog is going to be
Yeah,
deathless.
sorry about the distractions, but when you have a puppy, you do what you gotta do.
This is what won me the day.
Oh, I love this.
So this is an LaFleur. Does it have a size? It says +1.
+1. I think that might be a size, actually. I'm gonna have to look up LaFleur to see.
But it's got a nice ruching on the side.
Yeah, if you know what size +1 means, I think that is a size, if I remember correctly, from the last month of their size chart. But yeah, it's ruched. It's like this green color.
Great green color.
It's really, really cute. LaFleur always does well for us. We do have a few items that haven't sold as quickly as we would like, but they still do well for us overall, and I'm excited to get this one listed. And there's no flaws. It's just beautiful. And my husband found it. Who knew?
Yeah.
So there's that.
Expect better from your men, ladies. It can't.
Get better husbands.
It can be done. Dog, come and kill you. This is 11's.
Yeah.
Which I also found.
Yeah. This one, we actually debated a lot on whether or not we were going to pick it up because the comps aren't great, and 11's is, it's an Anthropologie brand that is our kind of a lower performer, but Tyler really, really enjoyed this. It's a bomber jacket. It's really cute.
You can also wear it.
Yeah, he figured I could wear it, so we're going to give it a shot and see how it goes. But yeah, this one I'm kind of a little skeptical on. I'm not sure how I feel about it.
You're allowed to give me the benefit of the doubt when I find LaFleur. Thank you.
Yep.
Moving into DVDs. Buy DVDs.
Lord of the Rings. So this is Lord of the Rings: Return of the King. We're gonna collect this to get all 3 of these. There's one red and one green along with this one. The funny part about this is we have 3 of these at this point. We cannot seem to find the green one, but we can find these. We learned about this from Resale Dojo. I will see if I can find the video that he originally talks about it in. But yeah, this is apparently a really good set to sell. We haven't found the green yet, so we haven't tried it, but we're just keep collecting the blue because they're a great price. So
Yeah. So, this one you found.
oh yep, there's one more attached. So this is the Matlock set.
The entire series.
The entire series, right? It looks like the comps are about $80 on eBay for all of it. So we're gonna give it a try. I didn't know it was this popular, but anytime I see something this much, I will look and check it. It's funny because we found the 2 big ones together, and then the other season was mixed in with DVDs on a different shelf entirely. So thank goodness we looked for it because it does not have as good comps
Pays to be
without.
thorough.
Yes.
So this is the German version of Chicken Run, which apparently sells for like $30.
Yeah, very strange, but a Blu-ray, yeah, German version of Chicken Run. I don't know why the German version of Chicken Run is here, and we can't watch it. Sometimes we do watch the DVDs before we set
I
them
mean,
out,
we
but
could watch it if we had a Blu-ray.
we would know nothing.
Excuse you.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. He went to Germany, so now he's fluent.
I also took 4 semesters of German. My German is very poor. This is Fantastic Four, another DVD.
Yeah, this one doesn't have huge comps, but superhero fans are usually quite avid about collecting everything, and I felt like it was something to try. It has a good sell-through rate, so we'll see how it does.
These are AG, the Stevie ankle, more pants.
And you know what? It's basically teal. It's so I have a hard time leaving teal behind. These are a size. I don't know.
27R.
Oh, 27R. Thank you. Thanks for the assist. Oh, I love this. Now this is a kind of an experiment, but I love it anyway.
So this is J. Jill.
Medium petite.
Large petite.
Oh, large petite. I knew it was petite.
It's LP. It's a leather jacket.
It's a leather jacket. The interior tag says genuine leather. And look at these pockets, guys. Look at them. They're adorable. I love them. This is I think, a really cute jacket. And we're going into a season where you kind of need that in-between jacket. So
This is that jacket.
Yeah.
This is definitely.
And I love it. So
So these are.
I think those are JoJo's.
These are dojos. 7 from Mankind dojos.
So we mentioned this in our
28s.
100% sell-through rate. Dojos. Don't let anybody tell you not to buy dojos. And we are practicing what we preach. We pick up dojos because they sell really well. You said they're a size 28, which happens to be my size. But yes, so
These are getting sold. You're not gonna keep them.
the ones that I would love to find one day for dojos are the bling pockets, but these will do. These will do.
Madewell.
I think those are 9-inch high-rise.
9-inch high-rise skinny, size 29.
Yep.
Which is also your size.
29 is not my size. You always say that, but
Okay.
not 29
All
yet. But yeah, so
I'm
these
gonna pay for that one later.
these I'm a little curious on. The high rise seem to do well, but when it starts getting into 9-inch rather than 10-inch, for some reason it seems to lose its value. I guess 1 inch is a big deal.
And then lastly, these are
Silver.
Suki bootcut, size 22.
Those almost look like they could be men's because it says 22 length, 32, and that's generally how men's are done. But we
But
haven't.
it's a Suki bootcut, so
Yeah.
I imagine it's not.
We've done Suki bootcut before, and they were women's, so I don't know if you guys know anything. Silver jeans have done well for us in the past, and I'm hoping that they do well for us again. So that is everything we purchased. So let us know what you guys thought. This was actually all, I believe, from one store. Which,
Yes, one store, one haul.
Yeah, one. So I love that. And this was a store that we don't usually do well with, but the dog had a grooming point. We decided to stop in, and I'm glad we did.
Yeah.
So that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please come back soon for a new video.
Thank you all for watching.